Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to use the Dojo. First, you want to create a project, add to production, click on Start from Scratch. You want to put your title in? Let's call it How the West Was Won as an example. Just type that in. Add, and there goes your Dojo project. Go into Edit, and here's your Sensei. This is where the Sensei lives. So we're going to use documentary, make sure your title's there, and click research. I'm going to let that run. The research comes back, then you say write my script. I'll click that, write my script button, and let it cook. Alright, when that comes back, you can expand it to read and review, see what you got in the script. And if you notice, there's numbers, so that will be fixed when you click the Humanize button. Alright, that's how you create a script in the Dojo. Now I'm going to show you how to use the sauce. You have to have a project in the Dojo to use the sauce. Okay, How the West Was Won, it automatically popped up in the script window. And just put something pertaining to what your channel is about, like a history documentary. I'll click the Analyze button, let that run. It's going to come back. Give it at least like 3 minutes to do what it has to do. Scroll down, give that time to load. Alright, when that loads, it's going to give you some recommendations. If you see this recommendation telling you what you need to move to the beginning, so move How the West Was Won to the very beginning. That's a recommendation. Go and click refine and let it do all the recommendations. So remember what it said before, these are 3, and it's telling you to put How the West Was Won in the beginning. Okay, let that cook and refine. I'm highlighting this to show you that it does change to the recommendations. Boom, here's your refined script. Begins with How the West Was Won. You don't have to copy it, it should be saved, but just copy it just in case. Go back to the Dojo and you see your sauced up script is in the window. Everything's there. So if you want to just go straight to the sauce, just paste the script inside the script window. I'm going to show you how to do the thumbnail. You have to have a project. We will use How the West Was Won. Okay, we're going to grab a competitor's thumbnail and I'm just going to refine it just for an example. Let it cook. And there you go. You have your script and your thumbnail. Upload it to YouTube and keep moving.